What's up, guys? Welcome back to Decent Garage. Today is the day that we are going to pick up the next project for the channel. So got the truck loaded up, just packing some bags. We're taking the whole family, my wife and 4 kids, in the crew cab, driving from Utah to Spokane, Washington. So it should be a fun trip. My family's not going the whole way, just me and my son will go from Boise to Spokane. But anyway, should be a fun trip. Let me show you what I've got packed up for the just in case. I figure it's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. So I've got this thing loaded up with pliers, screwdrivers, my trusty Milwaukee ratchet, my impact, a couple hammers, a bunch of lights because I hate working on stuff in the dark. So a bunch of stuff in there. Filled this full of metric and standard wrench sets. So I'll show you in the toolbox. You guys haven't seen the toolbox on my truck ever, but I'll usually throw it on there if I'm going on a trip. So I've got my full socket set. I got a little bottle jack. Fluids, I've got ATF, power steering fluid, gear oil, brake fluid, extra fuel filter, antifreeze, jumper cables. I think in here, extra couple belts, tire repair kit, couple ratchet straps. I'll throw a bunch more ratchet straps in here actually. So there we have it. So that's kind of, I always load this toolbox up. I'd rather have to spend the time putting it all away when I get back and hope I didn't need it than, you know, if I had needed it and didn't have it, that would be horrible. So that's what I'm packing for the trip. So on this trip, I'll introduce you guys to my whole family. I guess we could call them the Decent family. All right, let's hit the road. Guys, we are on the road. Got the Decent family with us. Kids packed in the back. So I'll keep updating you guys here and there, but we're gonna make the long trip to Boise tonight and Spokane tomorrow. All right, we are in Snowville. I'm not sure if that's Utah or Idaho, but it's right on the border somewhere. So.
Hey guys, over here. Hi. I'm excited.
So the truck has been running awesome so far. Knock on wood, but I've been holding 80, 85, no problem. Pulling up hills. The turbo's doing great. Transmission's staying cool. Engine's staying cool. Everything looks really good. So we got about 4 hours left. So at least till Boise. What's up, guys? It is the next morning. We have made it to Kuna. The truck ran flawlessly. It is so fun driving this thing on road trips. It just doesn't skip a beat. Knock on wood, but it just did excellent. So let me show you guys something. This isn't the next project, but man, I would love to have this truck for a project. I'm at my aunt and uncle's house, and let me show you what he drives. Take a look at this. So I'm not sure what year it is, 96, 97. It's got the Pacifica trim package, F350, but it's a 460. It's not the Power Stroke, but this thing is just clean as can be. Super nice, well taken care of. I'm not sure how much lift is on it, but I'm pretty sure these are 40s. Let's take a look. Nope, 38.5s, and there is plenty of room. Got this huge bumper with a Warn winch on the front. So I'm 6'4", and this thing just makes me feel tiny. Let's check out the back seat. So this is kind of his hunting rig. He goes hunting for birds and does a lot of that stuff. So such a sweet truck. This thing really needs a Cummins in it, and he's actually talked about doing that for years. So we'll see. Maybe sometime we can convince him to let us throw a Cummins in there. Do a whole conversion from D-stroked or something. So anyways, I thought I'd show you guys that truck. I wish this is the next project, but it's not. So all right, so we are gonna hit the road again. We're gonna head all the way up to Spokane today. We're gonna go meet up with someone real quick on the way out. One of my Instagram followers who I've kind of become, I guess you could say, Instagram friends with. He's a first-gen guy. He just started a brand recently called I'll Try, with a very inspirational message that, you know, everyone should be giving their best effort. And if you follow this guy on Instagram, you know he's in the gym multiple times a day working out, and the guy should not be able to walk. As a physical therapist, I can tell you that he should not be walking right now based on his diagnosis, but he's walking on treadmills. He's doing a lot of exercises that people are just too lazy to do, yet he's out there putting in the effort. So make sure you go follow him. Super inspirational guy. So we'll go meet up with him real quick, and then we'll hit the road to Spokane and pick up the project. Yeah, going to get my next project. Alright guys, this is Boone.
Howdy ho, folks.
What do you want to say, man?
Oh, just first gen enthusiast. Love you guys. These trucks are, I don't know, pain in the butt sometimes, but we love them, and
Love-hate
love
relationship.
meeting people that love them, and you know, meet a lot of cool people doing it. So
yeah, like I said, we've never met before, but we're like, I told you guys this, we're like Instagram friends. Comment on each other's stuff and kind of know what's going on based on what we post about, but it's a fun community. So that's what I love about the first gen stuff. But anyways, there you have it. All right guys, we are gonna hit the road to Spokane. All right guys, we are about 2.5 hours in. Everything's going well. got the co-pilot keeping me company. So, anyways, making good progress. No news is good news, I guess. Alright guys, we are rolling into my hometown of Medical Lake. We're going to make one stop before we get to my parents' house. So I got to pick something up to help us load the new project. So we'll do that and then we'll go see what it is. Alright guys, we are here. This is my parents' house in Medical Lake. So we made it. The truck did perfect, no issues at all. Getting between 17 and 18 miles per gallon, so did really well. But I'm dead, I'm tired. It's a lot of driving to do. But I'm not gonna leave you guys hanging. I'm gonna go show you guys the new project real quick. And then in the next video, we'll load it up. I'll give you a good walk around of it, show you everything, and we'll head back and take it back to Utah. So let's go take a look at it. So this is something that my grandpa gave me when I was a sophomore in high school. So 2002, I believe. I've got it running a couple times. Last time I had it running was 2009. And it's actually really easy to get running. Just always needs a little charge on the battery and just clean the carburetor a little bit and it fires up. I don't think I'll get it running to load it up though. I'll probably just use that come along that I bought and just pull it up onto the trailer. But here it is, guys. So it is a 1978 CJ5. It's an old Army Jeep. Let me see if I can, you can kind of see it on here, U.S. Army for official use only. It's, my grandpa got it from a military auction, let's see, early 90s he bought it. It's got 30,000 original miles on it. It's a 258 straight six motor, T3 transmission, I believe is what it's called. It's a 3-speed. So comment below, what do you guys want to see with this thing? I'm not going to build anything crazy. As you guys know, I don't like, you know, there's a company out there called Far From Stock. If I started a company, it'd be called Close to Stock. I don't like things looking way abnormal from stock, but I do want this to look a little bit bigger. But let me know what other ideas you guys have. Tag me in any posts on Instagram if you've got any. Speaking of which, I will be starting, I'll put it on the screen now, I'm going to be starting an Instagram page just for this project. So I have decent first gen, I've got decent XR400, now I've got decent CJ5. So go follow all my Instagram pages so you can follow along with all the projects there as well. But for right now, we're going to close this out. It's been a long couple days. Like I said, I'll film loading it up on the trailer, getting it all tied down. As we do that, I'll get some better footage of different parts of it, and we will go from there. So thanks for following along. I hope you guys enjoyed the trip up here. It was a fun trip in the crew cab. So hope you guys enjoy it. This will be a fun project. We'll see you guys in the next video.